The turquoise-fronted parrot A. Amazona estiva, also known as the blue-fronted Amazon, is one of the most popular species in the parrot world, widely recognized for its colorful plumage, impressive vocal abilities, and charming personality. Native to the tropical and subtropical regions of South America, primarily found in Brazil, Bolivia, Paraguay, and northern Argentina, this bird is a fascinating member of the Amazon parrot family. The turquoise-fronted parrot gets its name from the striking blue or turquoise patch above its beak, a feature that contrasts beautifully with the green body feathers that cover most of its body. Its face is adorned with bright yellow around the eyes and cheeks, making it highly distinctive among parrot species. While the body is primarily green, there are splashes of blue, red, and yellow scattered across its wings and tail. In size, the turquoise-fronted parrot typically reaches about 14 to 15 inches, 35 to 38 centimeters, in length, with a wingspan that adds an extra level of majesty to its look. One of the main reasons for the popularity of this parrot species is its highly social and intelligent nature. Turquoise-fronted parrots are curious, energetic, and often form strong bonds with their human companions. These birds are also famous for their vocal abilities. They are excellent mimics, capable of imitating human speech, sounds from their environment, and even other animals. Their vocabulary may not be as vast as some other parrots, like African greys, but they make up for it with their loud, confident delivery. In the wild, the turquoise-fronted parrot is found in forests, woodlands, and savannas. They are highly adaptable birds, able to thrive in a variety of ecosystems. When kept as pets, it is important to replicate this diet as much as possible to ensure their health. A balanced diet for a turquoise-fronted parrot in captivity should include high-quality pellets, fresh fruits and vegetables, and occasional seeds or nuts as treats. One of the remarkable traits of the turquoise-fronted parrot is its longevity. In captivity, with proper care, these parrots can live for 40 to 60 years or more, making them long-term companions. These birds are generally hardy, but like all pets, they can suffer from certain health issues if not properly cared for. Although the turquoise-fronted parrot is not currently classified as endangered, habitat loss and illegal trapping for the pet trade pose significant threats to wild populations. In conclusion, the turquoise-fronted parrot is a striking, intelligent, and engaging bird that has captivated the hearts of bird enthusiasts worldwide.